Hey foodies! Are you ready to upgrade your kitchen with a rice cooker that's both durable and healthy? Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best electric rice cookers with stainless steel inner pots. From budget-friendly options to premium picks, we've got something for everyone. Stick around because my number 1 pick is not only compact but also the cheapest, and my number 2 pick is a splurge-worthy luxury. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description to grab the best deals. Number 5. Cuckoo CRPP 1009 SB Pressure Rice Cooker. This 10-cup rice cooker features a stainless steel inner pot with a non-stick coating, advanced pressure cooking, and 13 preset programs for making gabba rice, porridge, mixed grains, and more. It also boasts a voice navigation system in multiple languages and an auto-cleaning function, making it user-friendly and convenient. The Cuckoo rice cooker is a powerhouse for serious home cooks. I was impressed by how quickly it prepares perfectly textured rice, and the variety of preset options is a lifesaver for experimenting with different grains. Plus, the voice navigation adds a modern touch. It's bulky and slightly expensive, but for its versatility and smart features, it's worth every penny. Number 4. Zojirushi NPNWC10XB Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker. This high-end rice cooker offers 5.5 cup capacity, pressure cooking, and induction heating technology for precise temperature control. It includes a durable stainless steel inner pot, multiple cooking settings for sushi rice, sweet rice, and even congee, plus advanced fuzzy logic to adjust cooking for perfect results every time. I've used the Zojirushi for a variety of grains, and its performance is unmatched. Every batch of rice is perfectly fluffy and moist. The premium build and innovative features make it feel like a professional-grade appliance. It's the most expensive on the list, but if you're a perfectionist when it comes to rice, it's worth splurging on. Number 3. Buffalo Classic Rice Cooker. This 10-cup rice cooker features a clad stainless steel pot for even heating and non-toxic cooking. It's designed with simplicity in mind, offering one-touch operation for white rice, brown rice, and even soups or stews. The pot is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Buffalo Classic is perfect for families who want safe, chemical-free cooking. I love how easy it is to use, even for beginners. It's a no-frills option, but the results are always reliable. It lacks advanced cooking settings, but it's an excellent choice for everyday meals. Number 2. Elite Gourmet ERC 2010B Electric Rice Cooker. This 5-cup rice cooker features a 304-grade stainless steel inner pot, stay-cool handles, and a tempered glass lid for easy monitoring. It also has a keep-warm function, making it perfect for busy households. Its lightweight design makes it portable and easy to store. The Elite Gourmet ERC 2010B is a reliable, family-friendly option. I love the transparent lid for monitoring the cooking process and how evenly it cooks. It's a fantastic mix of affordability and functionality. It doesn't include a delay timer, but its straightforward operation is perfect for quick meals. Number 1. Elite Gourmet ERC 006SS Electric Rice Cooker. This compact 3-cup rice cooker features a 304 surgical-grade stainless steel pot, a one-switch control system, and an automatic keep-warm function. It's perfect for singles or couples and works for rice, soups, and even oatmeal. Cleanup is quick with its dishwasher-safe components. The Elite Gourmet ERC 006SS is my top pick for small households. It's simple, efficient, and takes up minimal counter space. For the price, it offers outstanding value and performance. It's not ideal for larger families, but for its low cost and reliability, it's the best budget option out there. So, which one fits your needs? Share your thoughts and recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on these amazing products. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our kitchen gadget tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!